A months-long review of Child Protective Services in Suffolk County is complete, and today the results are being unveiled. The county came under a lot of scrutiny after the death of an 8-year-old named Thomas Valva, who froze to death in his father's garage. CBSN New York's Carolyn Gusoff is in Hauppauge with the latest.
Good afternoon. The death of Thomas Valva unearthed a litany of missed cues and red flags that went unheeded. There had been reports from school nurses and other educators, calls to hotlines of suspected child abuse for years. So what went wrong? Well, today, Suffolk County Executive Steve Bellone revealed the results of 2 month-long reviews, both internal and external, and 6 proposed new laws to better protect children and beef up child protective services. Among them, the escalation process will be enhanced, meaning when CPS receives 3 reports from a school nurse, a psychologist, or a social worker, the case must be reviewed by a supervisor. Caseloads will be reduced to 12 cases per month, and a specialized unit with special training for caseworkers will be created to deal specifically with children on the spectrum or with other developmental disabilities. Thomas Valva was autistic. Educators had been reporting that he was coming to school hungry, bruised, and wearing urine-soaked clothing.
The most important finding of the task force is that this system is just not set up to effectively protect kids on the autism spectrum or other kids with developmental disabilities. Once these reforms are adopted and fully implemented, CPS will never operate the same way again. And that is appropriate, because what happened to Thomas Valva can never happen again.
Together, these bills are dubbed the Child Protective Services Transformation Act, and they are designed to improve oversight so that children like Thomas cannot fall through the cracks. Are they enough? Well, some critics are already saying that some of these safeguards are already in place, and they need to go much further. In Hauppauge, Long Island, Carolyn Gusoff, CBSN New York.